Today chosen bird is common kestrel. This bird is in the kingdom of Animalia, phylum Chordata, class of Aves, order Falconiformes, family Falconidae, genus Falco, species Falco tinunculus. Common kestrel are widespread birds of prey. They are small compared with other raptors, but larger than most songbirds. Common kestrels are mainly light chestnut brown in color, with a black spot on the upside and buff with narrow blackish streaks on the underside. The lemmings are also blackish. The males have fewer black spots on streaks, and their cap and tail are blue-gray. The tail is brown with black bars in females and has a black tip with narrow white limb in both sexes. All common kestrels have a prominent black malar stripe like their closest relatives. The curl, feet, and narrowing around the eye are bright yellow. The two nearest bill and eyelids are dark. Juveniles look like adult female, but underside streaks are wider. The yellow of the bare parts is paler. Common kestrels are found in Europe, Asia, and Africa. These birds are sedentary, but in the cold parts of the range, they migrate south in winter. Common kestrels live in open habitats such as tundra, taiga, grassland, shrubland, marshland, fields, and heaths. They can also be found in the forested area and readily adapt to human settlement as long as sufficient suites of vegetation are available, and may even be found in wetlands, moorlands, and arid savanna. In following countries can find common kestrel: in Algeria, Angola, Armenia, Australia, Azerbaijan, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Belgium, Benin, Botswana, Bulgaria, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cambodia, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Botswana, Chad, Congo, DR Congo, Croatia, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Ivory Coast, Denmark, Djibouti, Egypt, Eritrea, Estonia, Ethiopia, Finland, France, Gabon, Gambia, Georgia, Germany, Ghana, Greece, Guinea-Bissau, Hong Kong, Hungary, Iran, Iraq, Ireland, Italy, Jordan, Kenya, Kuwait, Laos, Latvia, Lebanon, Lesotho, Liberia, Liechtenstein, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malawi, Malaysia, Moldavia, Mali, Malta, Mauritania, Moldova, Morocco, Mozambique, Myanmar, Namibia, Netherlands, Nigeria, Macedonia, Oman, Palestine, Philippines, Poland, Portugal, Qatar, Romania, Rwanda, Saudi Arabia, Senegal, Sierra Leone, Singapore, Scotland, Slovakia, Slovenia, South Africa, South Sudan, Spain, Sudan, Sweden, Switzerland, Chile, Taiwan, Tanzania, Thailand, Togo, Tunisia, Turkey, Uganda, Ukraine, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, Yemen, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Afghanistan, Albania, DRC, Bhutan, Bosnia and Herzegovina, China, Faroe Island, India, Israel, Japan, Kazakhstan, South Korea, North Korea, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Montenegro, Nepal, Norway, Pakistan, Russia, Serbia, Sri Lanka, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Vietnam, Western Sahara, Macau, Brazil, Brunei, Canada, Iceland, Indonesia, and United States of America. Common kestrel are generally solitary birds and are seen in pairs only during the breeding season. They are diurnal hunters. When hunting, common kestrel hover about 10 to 20 meters above the ground, searching for prey, either by flying into the wind or by soaring using a large lift. These birds have very keen eyesight that allows them to spot small prey from a distance. Once a prey is sighted, the bird makes a short, steep dive toward the target. It can often be found hunting along the sides of the road and motorways. Another favorite hunting technique is to perch a bit above the ground cover, surveying the area. When the birds spot prey animal moving by, they will pounce on them. Common kestrels communicate with the help of various calls. When alarmed, they attack and in flight, the birds produce a call. Common kestrels are carnivorous and eat almost exclusively small mammals such as voles, shrews, and true mice. They will also hunt birds, swifts, frogs, lizards, and insects. Common kestrels are monogamous and form long-lasting pair bond. They start breeding in April or May in temperate Eurasia and between August and December in tropical and southern Africa. Common kestrels are usually solitary nesters but may sometimes nest in loose colonies. The female lays a clutch of 3 to 7 eggs. Incubation lasts around 4 weeks and only the female incubates the eggs. The male is responsible for providing her with food, and for some time after hatching these remain the same. Later, both parents share breeding and hunting duties until the young fledge after 4 to 5 weeks. These common kestrels play a very important role in the ecosystem. These birds help control agricultural pests such as voles and mice as they make up the biggest part of their diet.